Hi everyone! Welcome to Sprinkle Heart's Face Paint. Are you ready to dive with me into the happiest season of the year? Yep, that's right. Christmas is coming. And I am so excited to enter this season with you guys and explore some magical designs. Today I'm sharing with you one of the most requested designs in this season, the Grinch. I'll be showing you 3 unique approaches to the same theme. A more girlish design, one more suited for boys because usually they like more scary-looking designs, and a different approach. So stay tuned and let's get started. Let's start with the girl design. First, we're gonna grab some bright green face paint. I'm using a split cake with a slight darker green edge, but you can use just a solid green color for this step. It will work just fine. Now we're going to define the basic shape of our design. Start with a pear shape on the forehead for the hair, some eyeshadow, and let's paint the nose and snout like we do in a dog design. Don't forget the beard on the chin. Remember, this step doesn't have to be perfect, just create the basic shape. Now with a red color, let's add a pretty bow in the center of the forehead, and some lipstick on the bottom lip. Now, with black and a liner brush, start to contour and add some definition to our design. Adding multiple strokes instead of a single line will help you create a more furry look. Add just a few highlights with some white face paint. This will make the design pop even more. Don't forget the glitter. Now, let's jump into our scary-looking Grinch design. You can grab the same green color as we used before, but this time we're going to draw a more mask-like design. You can fill the eyelids and the cheeks all the way down to the line of the upper lip. It kind of looks like an apple. Now, with the darker green, I'm going to give him some dark circles under the eyes. With some black face paint, we start to add some of the details. Let's give him some angry eyebrows. Let's make them extra furry. Some wrinkles on the nose, and some furry contour. And there you have it, our Grumpy Grinch design. Now let's jump to one of the most popular Grinch design requests, the furry hand. With some green face paint, we're going to make the basic shape of the hand, starting with an arch on the forehead and extending the base on each side of the nose for the index and thumb. Add 3 strokes on one side and in the other, extend the shape of the arch to create the wrist. Now with some white and red, we're going to make the sleeve. Don't forget the red ball in the nose for the Christmas ornament. Now let's contour our design with some black and a small detail brush. Remember, adding multiple and small strokes can accentuate the fluffiness of the shape we want to contour. With some white, let's add some highlights, some dots, and our beloved starbursts. Don't forget the glitter. I hope you liked this tutorial, and if you have any doubts, please leave them in the comments below and I will answer them as soon as possible. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my tutorials. Merry Christmas, everyone!